Hello and welcome back. This is a review of a €2 coin. This coin is from France. It is the second map of Europe, and on the reverse it is a French coin, and on the reverse here we have a coin from the year 2022, so it's this year's last year's coin, and it represents Jacques Chirac's birthday. This coin, as I say, is a 2022 coin, and it has a mintage of 9 million. Is it 100 years? I think it's probably his 100th year, isn't it? I think it might be the representation of his 100th birthday. I might be wrong in that point, and if I am, please put me right in the comments section. On here we can tell the country because we have an RF, which is, let me just have a look. Yes, we have an RF which is here on this side. We have the normal stars going around the outside, as you have with all €2 coins, and you have the portrait of Jacques Chirac there on the left hand side of the coin. This is quite a lovely coin in the sense that France recently has done 2 or 3 €2 coins of past presidents. One of the other ones was the wartime leader, General de Gaulle, who they did just a short while ago. I think he's been on 2, possibly 3 French euro coins. Jacques Chirac has been on this one. I think, if I remember rightly, Jacques Chirac was the longest serving president of France in the last century. Lovely coin, and I enjoy collecting €2, the commemorative ones. I'm not too interested in the standard coins that they have. But the euros have, because they're done by so many different countries, they have two levels of commemoratives. They have one, such as the Erasmus project, has been the most recent one I can think about, where every country in the EU Eurozone had to produce a coin of so many coins of the Erasmus project. And then you have the individual commemorative coins from the countries themselves. So, for instance, Germany over the past few years have been doing what they call the Bundesländer series, which is more to do with places of interest. They do churches, monasteries, castles, all that sort of thing, representing the different areas within Germany, which is a lovely set of coins in €2. Now, the higher value euro coins, such as the 5 and 10 euro coins, tend to be commemorative rather than just the normal standard coin across Europe in general. But this coin, as I say, it shows a wonderful portrait of Chirac, and I've quite enjoyed seeing this coin and viewing it. So, what do you think? Is it something that you would like in your collection? Tell me in the video below, in the comments below, sorry. So, I'm just backing the coin up again until I'm ready to flip it and put it into my collection. Now, if you are having a hunt, I hope you have a successful one and you find the coins you're looking for. If you're buying coins, I hope you can get the coins you want for the price you want to pay. I do a minimum of 4 videos, but recently I've been releasing 5 videos a week in the hope that you find something that you enjoy watching. And I'm looking forward to increasing my subscriber level. At the moment I'm in the early 170s, and I'm looking to try and get to 250 by the new year. We're currently recording this towards the end of May, so I'm going to need your help to do it. And if you have enjoyed this video, can you give me the thumbs up? If you believe I deserve your subscription, then please subscribe, and I'll welcome you with open arms, so to speak, and hopefully you will enjoy the rest of my journey through coins, banknotes, collectibles and militaria that I tend to cover on this channel. In the meantime, thank you for watching, and from me, until we meet up again on this channel, bye bye for now. Ta-da!